today I will be trying to use a demo account and try to raise it from $10 upwards using any method. I'll try and find a method and raise it, so stick to the end to see which method can work best for you. The first thing I'll try is using accumulators. So here I have accumulators. Let me change to another market. Okay, I can try with this one, but I will use a stake of $1. Okay, $2 seems to be enough. Can take profit there. Okay, it has crossed. What I did, I just waited for it to cross these lines. When you see the right lines, it has crossed. As you have seen, I have lost, so I will go again and see whether I have a chance to go. So if I lose multiple times, I will just leave it and try another way. So my target is $1.5, and then I get out of it. So let's see what happens here. We are near. Okay, we get out. Now I see it is continuing. Okay, it has crossed. As you have seen the red lines. We wait and see. So what you will notice is that I have chosen 2%, a growth rate of 2%. That takes out the risks out of the table, and that is what we need to do to avoid losing. So here we come, here we go, and then we get out of it. Yeah, okay, it has crossed the red line again. Those are 2 times. Let us see what happens here. And remember guys, trading is risky. You need to be very careful with this thing. So accumulators, most of the time they will bring money, but they may end up taking money. I raised it from $18 to $21, and you can continue that way. You just need to wait and see. When you see the red lines, you enter. I have used accumulators. Let me try and use another method or option to see whether I can make more. Let me check another one. When I say up, I can win. Then we have paired per point, up or down. So here, let me analyze this really fast. Let's go up, and then we watch what will happen. So when I get a loss of 0.5, I'll just get out of it, and that is also what you need to do when you get a lot of your losses on your account. So that is going in the wrong direction. I don't want that. Let me try this time here. You need to be careful with it, because after this timer ends, it will kick you out of the market. So you need to get out faster. Let me just get out and try another method. Let me choose seconds. Can I win that one? Let me see. 10 seconds. 15 seconds are almost over. 15 seconds are almost over. So my $2 have gone that way. What if I choose lower? I can still, but this is pretty low. Let us just go with one bar here so that I try to make a lot of money. Within how long? No, that is not really working fine. We have this barrier which you can raise, or you can change the position by moving it this way. You just bring your nose here and then you long press. You can just move it up and down, or you can edit it here. You can just put a negative or a positive. What happens is that when you click up right at this point, the market should be higher at that point before this timer ends, and then you will win that amount. We have amount here, you will win this amount. So in a fast moving market, then this can make you a lot of profit, but in a stagnant market, then use accumulator. Don't try to use this one, because this one will not be friendly to you. You lose a lot of money on this one. Like on this one, you can see this is moving pretty fast. You can try and use this one to see. Okay, let us go and see what happens. So this will be the last one, and we can see some options are very hard to make money from. As you can see, I have tried a lot. For a beginner, some options are very hard. So that is it for today. I have a link in the description. Be sure to check it out. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.